Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins and welcome to my channel. Today we're doing an in the post video. This is in the post number 34. So let's start off with a couple of coin related things that I have bought for myself. First one, I got myself a cheap Rolling Stones 40 Greatest Hits album to allow me to enjoy some music. The second non-coin related and last non-coin related thing is this. This is the Coronation First Day cover, along with a set of Coronation postcards of the 4 stamps. I will be going into that, so I can release it fairly shortly. This will be the one thing that will be shown before this in the post video comes out. Other things, I've been doing a bit of a clean up. A few weeks ago I did an Eritrea animal coin hunt. Let's just take that down a little bit. And I found out, with the help of some of the other coin tubers, including oh blimey, who was it? Glenn. He pointed out there was also a 100-cent coin for the Eritrea coin, and it was an elephant. So I've managed to get hold of that, and now I will have the full set. While I was on eBay looking at that Eritrea elephant coin, I found a set of Uruguay coins. I think 4 of the 5 of them have animals on, so I'll be doing that as a small animal country coin hunt. Again, not too bad. This one's a Yugoslavian coin, and it's very much looks like a Soviet era type on the reverse. And what I mean by that, it's 2 men, or a man and a woman, looking from they're on the left hand side of the coin and looking through to the right hand side of the coin without being face on. It's very much a Soviet type pose that you see in some of their coins and what have you. I have another coin from the Papal series that I'm slowly putting together, and this is another 10 soldi, and I think it's Pius the 9th or Pius the 10th. I think this is a set that I didn't realise I'd haven't taken off my list. Is it? Yeah, it's a set of coins from Poland. I didn't realise I'd received these. These are 3 coins. Again, they're animal based coins, or they show animals of different points. The 3 Polish coins are all the same value, 2 zloty. So that's going to be an interesting coin to, or another interesting one. This goes along with these 2. I bought 2 sets of the Coronation coins. One will go into my blue card album. The other ones I've got the opportunity, should I want to take this out and put it into my big date run album. And the card is the EEC presidency. Now, I'm not too sure, but I think Glenn may be waiting for this card. Glenn, if you watch this video and you are waiting for this card and you'd like it, please drop me a line and I'll get it posted out to you. Then we have an African-based coin from Zambia. Is it Zambia? And one from I'm not sure where that one's from, but they both show animals on them, and will be part of an animal coin thing that I'm doing in the near future. There is also a second papal coin here showing another pope. I'm not 100% sure it is. I can't see from just looking at it without an eyeglass or anything what they are, but again it will be within one of the papal coin things that I show. And lastly, and by no means least, this is a set of Byzantine coins dating from around about the end of the 4th century right the way through. They range from 491 AD to 1453 AD. I got 4 coins. They're all individually in their flips and they're all marked already for me. But on the back of this, what also came with it was this coin chart, which shows you the important coins of the Byzantine empires between those dates. So that will make another interesting video for people who like older coins. So, Byzantine, papal, 2 animal coins, 3 Polish animal coins, a Yugoslavian Cold War type one, a set of Uruguay animal coins, and the one I'm missing from an Eritrea set, along with coronation coins, coronation first aid cover, and also some music that I bought for myself. Oh, and I forgot one. There's one hiding. I'm not sure which one of these ones are. Hang on one second. Let me just open the bag. Ah yes, it is a Vanuatu year set of their coins. Vanuatu is a small island in the Pacific belt over where between Australia and New Zealand are, in that Pacific belt, I believe. So, another full in the post. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, can you please give me the thumbs up? I do a minimum of 4 videos a week, so hopefully you'll find something that you enjoy watching. I am trying to again improve my subscriptions for this year. I am aiming for a minimum of 200 and preferably 250 by Christmas. How achievable that is remains to be seen. In the meantime, until we meet up again on this channel, if you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying, then I hope you're buying the coins or notes or whatever it is that you want for the price that you want to pay. And from me on this channel, thank you for viewing and staying to the end, and until we meet up again, from me, bye bye. Ta-da now.